Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. All right, get down. Look. Hi, I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today, we're going to be going over some face masks. These are exclusive to Dillard's. You can get them online or in the store. In the store was a little tricky because they're such a new product. Nobody knew where to find them. But I finally talked to somebody that knew in my particular Dillard's that they were in the watch display. So if you go over by cosmetics and perfume, you'll find watches. And that's where mine were. No idea where you'll find yours. But hey, they had them. They were really nice. And let's get into it. I'm going to start with, and it's not me saying this, but judging by the pictures, we have the masculine one and the feminine one. But we're going to see if there's any difference besides pattern. And if there's not, then they're unisex. It just, whatever you want to sport for the day, or in my situation, whatever matches my attire. Alright, so let's start with this one. Alright. This, I've already been wearing one of them for a few days, so I could give a proper review. And I will go to the one that I have been wearing. It has matched the suit I wore yesterday and has a really nice pattern. You can see it's a little stretched out already, and it doesn't have its volume, but that's fine because it doesn't have a wire strap in the bottom. It loose dangles, which I really appreciate because it allows a little bit more air so you could breathe. But it does have a metal strap here on the top, and they all come with the ability to size them. Now, as I said in my other review, which you can check out, it's either going to be here or the little thing pops up here. Those are for my coach masks. I don't know what happens if you pull this all the way off the edge. So if you're not really close to the edge for comfortability like I am, maybe tie a little knot there. But let's go ahead and put this on. And one of the biggest problems for people with glasses is it instantly fogs. Oh, see what I mean about this? I mean, it comes down real nice and sleek and kind of just covers. But that wire mask, that wire in the mask, is supposed to be so you can mold it to your nose. Yep, I'm experiencing very little fog with this mask. Now, if you did check out, or you're planning on checking out that coach review, I'll show you one of those masks real quick. And those masks, while being very pretty and also adjustable, they do not have any type of wire in it to prevent your own breath from fogging up your glasses. There's also a life hack I've learned. If you have glasses, well, mine aren't sliding off right now, but, oh, I've already done the life hack. Okay, so if you wrap this around your ear prior to putting on your glasses, and then you put on your glasses, they're going to slide every time you look down. Every single time. So when you're walking through the grocery store, or when you're just going about your day, you're constantly going to be sliding your glasses up. Sliding. Okay, so what you do is you wrap, look at this real close, you wrap that cord over your glasses. Do that on both ears, and your glasses aren't going anywhere. They're now actually rubber band down onto your ears. I'm not going to do it too violently, get a head rush, but I can shake them quite violently and they're not going anywhere. So there's a little life hack for you. This I'll go through the rest of the review pretty quickly, except for I have to pick out one to potentially ruin. Oh, and I didn't tell you. Let's see. Let's open this one for these patterns. And first of all, I hate the idea of this one's for girls and this one's for boys. No, we don't play that. Not here in my closet. But it is made by Anna and, I can't read backwards, Ava. Anna and Ava. As far as I know, that is exclusive to Dillard's. But what I wanted to find out, let me tear this tag real quick, is if there was a size difference for the feminine and I'm not even going to say it, for the different ones. Because if there is a size difference and you have a smaller face, well then it makes sense to try to find one that would fit like child size, for instance. I'm laying them out here on my leg right now. Sorry you can't see it, but I'm trying to get the best possible comparison. Oh, okay. Huge problem. Difference. You can see this one has a wire, and the one that is sold in a feminine color does not have a wire. It feels like a slightly softer material, but it doesn't have a wire. So see how my glasses don't fog with this one? And this is the same company, by the way. Gunner, don't run off with my mask, sweetheart. All right, let me loosen this one up to my size. Because I did find out, I did find out they're the same size, but that wire thing threw me for a loop. So if I were to wear this one, and my glasses are already fogging, all right, let's tuck it the best we can. I don't know if you can see that, but my whole left eye is completely fogged. I can't see out of it. It's like driving through a snowstorm. And I depend upon my glasses to see, so if they're fogged, I'm kind of up a creek without a paddle here, guys. So, fair warning, check which one you're buying at Dillard's or wherever you buy a mask, and get that wire. Yeah, I can't see anything, and then I take this off, my glasses off, and I'm blind after a couple of feet. So these are only going to be beneficial to people who don't wear glasses and don't want that nice tight seal around their nose, because I've always worn them with glasses. Let me just see. I'll put it on again. Okay, yeah. Like I expected, because there's these gaps right here. With every breath I take, my eyeballs, even though they don't fog, they experience a very unrefreshing puff of hot air. I know I am full of hot air. That's why I sit here and talk to myself and hopefully all of you. But I'm sorry. I was trying to lead up to a joke. Every time I'm in the car and I'm just sitting there, I'll fog up the windows. Just my breathing. I'm a heavy breather. If you're not a heavy breather, I'm also a secret mouth breather. Usually, I'll have my mouth just cracked enough to breathe. I don't feel like I get enough oxygen if I breathe through my nose. That's just me. I like oxygen. So, I'll show you the patterns. We have animal print, I would tell you which animal, but I don't know my animal prints because I like my prints on the animals themselves. We have this really beautiful, oh my gosh, I'm so upset that this doesn't have a wire, but this really beautiful, oh, okay, well, it does have animal print, but still, pink, yeah. Each one came with a black mask, which is really helpful because, like, right now, I'm not seeing anything in my collection that matches what I'm wearing. There's the blue, and then you saw this one that I was wearing earlier, and out of all of these, even my Coach included, because I've got a couple of Coach here, nothing with, I mean, well, yeah, if I had to choose to pick a mask, I don't think black definitely wouldn't go with what I'm wearing. So I think this orange would go well. Or maybe let's try this again now that I'm sitting back. Because I've got some gray, but I've got a lot of brown going on. If we did, no, that's not going to match at all. Alright, let's try it, just for sakes. The black, and I'm not going to take the time to adjust it, the straps that is, but the black. It would be a hard decision if you're going for a look of fashion between, yes, baby. I don't know if you could hear that, but come here, Moo. My dog, come here, was growling for attention. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, do I get kisses? Oh, this is also helpful to prevent kisses. Oh, yes, baby. I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay. Okay, guys. Get down. I gotta finish the video. You want me to stop and you want to go play? Alright, guys. You've heard enough from me today. I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet. Bye.